In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to order prints using Canva in just 5 minutes. Whether you're looking to print stunning business cards, beautiful invitations, or vibrant posters, Canva provides a seamless printing solution right at your fingertips. Let's dive right in. First things first, head over to canva.com. Once there, you'll want to sign in by clicking the login button located at the upper right corner of the page. If you don't have a Canva account yet, you'll need to create one. This is a crucial initial step as it lets you access all of Canva's design and printing features. Upon clicking the login button, you'll notice you have a few convenient options for signing in. You can use your Google account, Facebook account, or simply use your email. Pick whichever method suits you best and get signed in. Now that you're logged in, you have the option to either create a new design or navigate to an existing project that you want to print. If you're looking to start fresh, go ahead and click on Create a Design and let your creativity take flight. However, if you already have a masterpiece ready for printing, select it from your dashboard. With your design open, shift your gaze to the upper right corner of the interface. There you'll see an option to print with Canva. Give it a click. This is your gateway to transforming your digital design into a tangible product. Click on it and you'll find yourself on a journey to customize your printing project. Next, select the pages you wish to print. If your design spans multiple pages or variations, you can choose the specific ones you want printed. Once you've selected your pages, it's time to choose your print specifications. This includes selecting not only the size of your print, but also the type of paper and finish that suits your preferences. You'll want to consider what will best bring out the qualities of your design, whether that's a glossy finish for vibrant colours or a matte finish for a subtle classic look. After you've chosen your size and finish, it's time to decide on the quantity. Whether you're ordering a single prototype or a bulk set for an event, Canva makes it easy to specify exactly how many copies you need. If you find yourself needing an envelope with your print, look out for the additional option to add one. Simply tick the box and you're all set. Once everything is configured to your liking, click on Continue to proceed. Before finalizing, you'll be given an option to download a PDF copy of your file. This is a great way to have a digital backup of your design. Finally, you'll get to the last step. You can either add the prints to your cart or proceed to checkout, where your prints will be prepared to arrive right at your doorstep. And there you have it. You've successfully ordered prints using Canva. Happy designing and printing.